Hello, class, and welcome to week 5 of English 102 Online. For this week in English 102 Online, you'll be working on the new learning module, Module 3, the last learning module for the summer semester, called the Cultural Artifacts and Freedom, or GRACE, learning module. This learning module is going to be a little bit different from the other learning modules because the topic which you'll be writing about will be something of your own choosing, having to do with choosing uh, a cultural artifact that you think is very, very important to write about and to analyze. And I can't wait to see what you come up with. Also, in this learning module, you'll be working in a lot of groups. You'll be doing a lot of group work with your assigned groups. So, your discussion board posts will be within your group. Your posting on the discussion board, you will be getting responses from your group members, and you will also be responding to your group members. That is because at the very end of this learning module and at the end of the semester, in addition to completing an essay, a cultural artifacts essay on the cultural artifact of your choosing, you will also be putting together a PowerPoint, a group PowerPoint on your topic and your peers' topic as well, and you'll be presenting on your cultural artifacts. So everything that you do in this learning module will be group related. So please keep that in mind. All right, so let's take a look at what's coming up due. Uh, the first thing that's going to be you're going to be working on is this reading. You'll be basing your cultural artifacts analysis on this reading, which is called "These Shoes Aren't Made for Walking," and it's by the author Wababanik. And you'll be looking at um, her analysis of high heel shoes and her visual analysis, and you'll think about that as you create your own topic as well. Also, later in the week, you'll be completing a research process assignment on the discussion board. You'll be posting it to your group discussion board, and you'll give feedback and get feedback on your topic. So I want you to really be thinking about what you think might count as a cultural icon. What represents freedom in our culture? What artifact represents freedom? And so you'll be also doing a discussion board post in your small groups later in the week on your artifacts and freedom discussion. And you should be composing your thesis statement by the end of the week as to why this cultural artifact, is so important and why you deem it to be symbolic of freedom. I hope this information was helpful. Thank you.